So ladies and gentlemen, look at what's going on here now. So over the weekend, I did 2 more beds. Those last 2 in the back. The red peas is coming up very nicely. Lettuce is nice. I was out here taking a look. I planted some corn over the weekend along the fence here. And then I looked up and oh my gosh, I got trouble. Callaloo looking good. Cabbage looking good. Swiss chard and all looking good. Tomatoes looking good, blossoming nicely. I heard Sunday morning something crash in the backyard. And look what happened. And I hope I'll be good for the next couple of days. Because this is what happened. I heard this tree crash. And it came down on my fence. Right in the back here. Came right down on my fence for my garden. Hope these critters won't get in there. Oh man, I'm sad. I am sad. And there's nothing I can do tonight. Nothing at all. Big gigantic tree. Fell down on the fence. Oh my. I am so sad right now. Let's go inside and show you what's going on. Whew. I am not happy. Look at this, y'all. Took down my fence. Took down my fence. Oh boy. And all I have is a machete. And I don't know if it would do good on this pine tree. Got to do something to get it back together though. Let's see. Guess I'll figure it out. Over and out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Say something nice about the work I'm doing here, if you will. Yeah. Everything's coming on very nicely. A lot of blossoms, a lot of rain. But I gotta secure it. Gotta secure this. I'm wondering if I should just leave it like that for now or just try to clear it up and get it back up. Drop me some comments and tell me what you think. Bye-bye, y'all.